Have you ever had that feeling that something just feels off on your team? Performance is all over the place. People seem disengaged. And no matter what you try, it just doesn't stick. So what do? We step in. We add more structure, more check-ins, more oversight. And somehow it gets worse. This is where most leaders, and honestly most HR teams, get it wrong. We see the problem and we react. Too much chaos. We throw more control at it. Too much control. We try to loosen things up, but we're not actually fixing the root issue. We're just reacting to the symptom. And every time we react like that, we push the team even further out of balance. Here's what I've learned after years in HR. Every team operates on a spectrum. On one side, you've got chaos, too many priorities, zero clarity. Everything feels urgent. On the other side, you've got control. Too many approvals, slow decisions, and nobody feels real ownership. And teams don't stay still. They swing from chaos to control and right back again. This shows up in the exact stuff we deal with in HR every single day. Managers complaining their team isn't performing. Employees saying they feel micromanaged. High performers quietly disengaging. Turnover happening in the same roles over and over. Our instinct is always the same. Add another process, add more accountability, add more structure. But sometimes that's not the answer. Sometimes you're already too far on the control side. The real problem isn't chaos. And it's not control either. The problem is there's no center. No clear priorities. No shared direction. No alignment on what actually matters. So the team keeps swinging, and leadership keeps reacting. This is the shift most leaders miss. You don't stabilize a team by pushing harder in one direction. You stabilize it by creating a strong, clear center. The center is simple. Clear priorities. Clear ownership. Clear expectations. Not more control. Not less structure. Just clarity. Let me make this real with a quick story. A team keeps missing deadlines. Leadership jumps in and adds more structure. More status meetings, more approvals, more tracking. Deadlines improve for a little while. Then everything slows to a crawl. Because the issue wasn't lack of control. It was lack of clarity. What actually matters most right now? Who owns what? What does done really look like? Instead of stabilizing the team, they just swung the pendulum the other way. So before you add another process or another check-in, pause and ask yourself two questions. Are we actually unclear? Or are we just uncomfortable? Do people truly know the priority? Is ownership obvious? Or is it just assumed? Because if those things aren't clear, more structure won't fix it. It'll just slow everything down. Strong teams don't eliminate chaos. And they don't live stuck in control. They operate from the center. And once you start seeing the swing, you stop reacting. And you finally start leading.